Central government is BJP government. State government is again their BJP government. All the intelligence report, all the details, all the information, they have got more than us. Now, let them clarify who is there, what is there. Unnecessary, let them not politicalize these things. I request all the senior leaders who are talking like this, just keep quiet for a few days. Let the situation cool down. Let the parents and children and management solve this problem. So you leave it to them. Unnecessarily interfering in the middle, talking something, and again creating problem is not good for any representatives of any kind. So it is the duty of each and every representative to keep our mouth shut and to leave it to the management, principal, and the parents. It is the parents who knows the issues of the children and the concerning education, and the students who are losing their education due to all these things. So it is the primary duty of the representative to sensibly come and not to politicize this. And Congress doesn't have anything as eligible. Congress will see only good atmosphere in the education institution, and all infrastructure will be given for the education is the prime duty of the Congress.
So the MLA who was here spoke to us. He said that he will be giving a memorandum to the Speaker today on an NI demanding.
Yes, see, I say when government is working there, what is the state is doing? What they have done? What they found? Let them tell. And it is left for them. It's their duty. It's a privilege. We can't talk anything about it.